Hey friends, welcome back to Jameson Vlogs. And yesterday, I bought something very cool. I bought the world's first monster truck. I got it yesterday for like $10, and it's a mega. And then yesterday, I got this little mini Whiplash. And then that was basically all. And I also got a book yesterday. In a car.
What else are we doing today?
Today we are actually going to Monster Jam.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, soon here we're gonna get picked up by my grandma, and then she's gonna take us to Monster Jam. And I'm gonna have my book. I'm wearing my clothes, Gravedigger.
Well, it's a nice outfit, by the way.
Yeah. So it's gonna be really cool to be to Monster Jam. Hopefully they have some really cool things there, which they will, and I'll have a very good time.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.